Shalom peeps, I just wanted to come on here quickly. Look what happened. Oh my goodness. Storm. It was so windy outside. Look at this. Over here. Scared the crap out of me, like in the house. It's still raining out a bit. Oh man. Part of the house fell down and there's trees, branches up there. Look at that, up there. I don't know if I can zoom up, but hang on. Like, look at this. It's all destroyed. Man, I was in the bedroom, it scared the crap out of me. I thought something came through the roof, and it actually did from up top. Look at this. How are the dogs gonna go outside? Man. Like, look at that. I'll zoom out a bit. Oh, crap. Like, look at that. Like, look at the roof up there. See, and then some of it came down. I won't! And then over here. And then... oh, she was just asking to take pictures if... look at the roof. The part of the chimney's up. Over there. Look at that. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, you guys. Yeah, all over there. And right over here, the branch too fell down. Man, we have no power, no cable. Definitely I'll upload the video when we do. Oh. Crazy. Wow, like look at that. That's crazy. Yeah.